Hey guys, it's Joe's Tutorials and Reviews. Today we're going to be teaching you how to use LiveSplit for tracking speedrun data and tracking your speedrun times. To start off, you just want to download the file in the description for LiveSplit, and then you want to extract this file right here by left-clicking it and then extracting it. Then after that, you're where we are right now, and we are going to right-click this, double right-click it to be, in fact, and then you'll see this timer. It might say a warning message, but just ignore that warning message. You want to then right-click this, press Edit Splits, and now you're at this page. Let's say if I want to have a game name at the top of my little timer, I can, for an example today, I'm going to be doing Minecraft Java Edition 1.16. I can then, after that, go to segment name. I'll put, you just have to left click it, and then I'll put nether time. Then you want to go over here and insert one below, and then I'll put exiting the portal. I then want to insert one below, and you always want to do this, you always want to have a final time, or else it'll just end on the time for exiting the portal, and that's probably not what you want. You then press OK. You then right-click it again, and then you go to settings. The reason why we're going to settings is because we want to use hotkeys, so it's easier for us to start and end the speedrun and fix any errors in the speedrun if we need to. We then click on settings, and you'll see that we have a bunch of hotkeys. I already have some hotkeys that I use. I put 0 for start and split. I then put 8 for reset. I then put 9 for undo and split. Skipping the split would be a 5, and then pausing it would be a 2. You're gonna only really need these top 5. We then press OK. And then we then right-click it. We actually don't right-click it. And then we press 0 to start it. Let's say if I made a mistake, I can easily pause it by pressing my pause hotkey, which I put as 2. To unpause it, I can obviously press 2 again. Maybe if I accidentally pressed it, I can press 2 and then press 8, which will automatically reset it. Unfortunately, it will not reset the amount of attempts. Right there, that number right there is the amount of attempts. You have to go into edit splits, and then it says attempts, and then you can put it 0. You can even make it as a bunch of attempts if you really want to. I don't see why, but that's alright. I'm just gonna put that as 0. We can then press 0. Let's say if I went to the nether and I didn't realize that I didn't put this thing right here, and I'm about to exit the portal, I can just press 5 to skip it, and then I can press 0, and then I can press 0. And then we can reset it. It says you have some of the best times. Do you want to update them? And I'm going to say no. And then I can obviously edit my splits again and put it as 0. So that's basically it. You can also undo a split if with my keys, if I press 9 So let's say if I press 0, 0, and then I press 9, I'll go back because maybe if I did something wrong. And that's about it. So if you did learn something or you do like what you see, please subscribe. We're on the road to 20 subscribers, and that would really mean a lot to us here at Joe's Tutorials and Reviews. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.